Hi everyone, it's Karen. So I'm just going to quickly show you what's in tonight's mystery box. The first item is this premium outdoor glossy vinyl package, and it has a number of colors in it. There's red, blue, a cream color, brown, white, and black. There are 4 packages of their regular vinyl. The colors are ocean. This one is a sampler pack. It has pink, peachy color, blue, green, yellow, and white. This one is olive. This one is caramel. And then you've got a package of regular transfer tape for all of these vinyl types. There's a package of hot pink glitter vinyl in my mystery box. Some of the mystery boxes may have the cafe color instead of the hot pink. And then there's a package of the strong grip transfer tape, which is for the glitter vinyl. There is a piece of the strong grip transfer tape in the package of glitter vinyl, but this is a package of just the strong grip transfer tape by itself. There's also a sampler package of 12 by 12 vinyl. The package I have is the Vinyl Brights pack. Some of the mystery boxes will contain the vinyl basic package. So you can see the colors in here are like a lime green, a hot pink, blue, and a grape color, purple. So this package is $34.99. It's a regular price of $78. I'm going to include my link below the video that you can click to purchase the mystery box. You can use my discount code SCRAPPYDIVA to get an additional 10% off and to get free shipping. Thanks so much for watching.